Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn after switching careers into tech. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or selecting View Profile from the menu. Start with your headline. Edit your headline to reflect your new career in tech. Use keywords relevant to the tech industry to attract the right audience. Next, update your summary section. Write a compelling summary that highlights your transition into tech. Discuss your passion for technology and any relevant skills you've acquired. Be sure to mention any formal education or certifications in the tech field. Now, move to the experience section. Remove any outdated job titles that no longer align with your new career path. Add your most recent role in tech, even if it is a junior position. Explain your responsibilities and achievements in this role, emphasizing transferable skills from your previous career. If you have completed any internships or volunteer work in tech, include those as well. Next, update your skills section. Add skills relevant to your new tech role, such as programming languages or tools you are familiar with. Consider asking colleagues or peers to endorse these skills. Now, focus on your education. Include any degrees or certifications related to tech. If you have taken online courses, be sure to list those as well. Check the networking section of your profile. Connect with professionals in the tech industry. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to engage with others in your new field. Finally, adjust your privacy settings if necessary. Ensure your profile is visible to recruiters and potential employers. Regularly update your profile as you gain more experience in your new career. This reflects your growth and keeps your network informed. With these steps, you will effectively update your LinkedIn profile to align with your new career in tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.